Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to a new video on Vanry or the Vanar chain, whatever you want to call it. I mean, Terra Virtua Collect (TVK). You can also call it like that. But no, Vanry. I'll stick to Vanry. We'll do a full analysis on that. It's been bullish this morning. I wanted to cover it already when I saw this bullish momentum right here. This spike. But then, before I wanted to record, so you can also see from the thumbnail that this move hadn't happened yet when I created the thumbnail. We already got the move up to my price target. All right, so we'll have to improvise a little bit. I still think we can say some sensible things about Vanry right now. I mean, I saw some news around it. It was being hyped up a little bit. It's weird. I always thought that on Vanry we did have some futures, right? I thought you could also trade this on futures, but I must be wrong. I mean, right now, yeah, you can trade it on L-Bank, but that's about it. And apart from that, like I said, I sort of it was chilled a little bit. There's probably some momentum right now, but the thing with Vanry is I should probably, yeah, oh yeah, they had a partnership with Pao AI, which is obviously a very big and very hyped up project. Apart from that, not much. I saw some shilling on Twitter, like I said. That's about it. But we all know that Vanry, historically, when I covered it before, it's quite spiky, all right? It can spike up. And Terra Virtua Collect was also quite manipulated at times. Now, I don't necessarily want to say that Vanry is also manipulated, but there is quite a lot of volume coming from Turkey, which is never an amazing sign. And apart from that, the volume is pretty normal, all right? So it's also not too bad, but it is something you should know. And just in general, like I said, Vanry has a tendency to spike up and then drop down a lot. So at this moment, I would say that there's definitely a chance that we can get a good rally from Vanry, all right? I think fundamentally, I think technically, it's a possibility. However, the thing is that there are some things that need to happen. Right, because at the current price, I would say that the main level we just broke above is between 6.7 cents and 7 cents itself. And well, we haven't broken above that yet, but the 4-hour time frame candle closes in 4 minutes, so I assume that we will close above that. But then we just hit this resistance level between 8 cents and 7.5 cents, especially around 7.5 cents. It's not really a resistance level, but we spiked up there, and usually you see that those spikes also start to act as resistance levels. And then apart from that, 7.5 cents is obviously also a psychological level. So the big thing that Vanry has to do right now is it has to respect the support level, all right? Because the other times we did not. So what needs to happen is Vanry needs to break above 7 cents and 6.8 cents, and then hold that as support. And if it can hold that as support and actually gain some more bullish momentum, then we can start talking about potentially 8.5. I'm just going with the psychological levels because it, you know, when we're getting into all-time high territory, which it isn't necessarily, but still, when we're getting there, you have to rely on Fibonacci extensions or psychological levels. So I'm assuming psychological levels work best right now. Vanry tends to respect those and respond to those very well. So yeah, but the main thing is that Vanry needs to stay on top of 7 cents and 6.8 cents and hold that for at least, I would say, 24 hours. Or from there, break above 7.5 cents. Then we're going up to 8.5 cents, and then a bullish Vanry is really here, and we could rally even higher. But this does need to happen, all right? Because if Vanry right now just finds resistance and drops down below 6.8, it's over. And this was another spike, and will probably slowly drop down all the way to 5.8 cents again. So those are my thoughts. I think that's what you need to know on Vanry right now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know. If you want to get some more information regarding my trading and get some trades and become a better trader/investor yourself, check out my premium and signal group. But that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.